So here we go. Another wordy question from another AQA paper. Again, calculator allowed. And yet again, one of those questions which puts people off from answering it because it combines ratios and fractions and lots of words. Same advice as always. One line at a time. Can I do any maths? Harry and his sister Jess can't do any maths, but I can organise. HJ 1 to 4. Harry has £7.35. Don't read on. You've been given a clue there. Jess has 4 times as much. This is off a calculator paper, so just reach for your calc. £7.35 multiplied by 4 gives you £29.40. You're earning your first mark. They pay £16.99. We can't do anything with that, but we can bank it for later. Harry uses a third of his money. So you can do something here. Take Harry's amount and divide it by 3. So £2.45 for your second mark. Tick that, I've done that. Jess pays the rest. There we go. Jess pays the rest. £16.99 is the total. Harry's paid £2.45. On your calculator, Jess pays £14.54. Tempting to think that that's the final answer. Always ask yourself, have I answered it? This is not asking how much does Jess pay. That's how much Jess pays. It says how much does Jess have left. So you need to do £29.40 minus how much Jess has paid. So 29 on my calc, £29.40 minus £14.54. £14.86. Very tempting to think that's the final answer, but there's one more stage to go. So same as always, don't be put off by ratio and fractions. Just work on one line at a time. Can I do any maths? If not, can I organise anything? If not, just move on. But certainly don't read the entire question. By the time you get to the end, you've been put off and you've forgotten some earlier facts. Keep it going, and then you know where you are in the question. So one step at a time, and I'm sure you'll have more success with these wordy questions. Hope that helps. See you on the next one.